Hello everyone, this is Lydia. The new Cutaway Cards for the Cricut Joy are a neat way to make a quick card. There are lots of great designs for them design space that are included in the Cricut Access subscription. If you don't have a Cricut Joy, these designs can be easily adapted to make with the Explore or Maker machines. In this video, I'll show you how to make one of these cards with a Cricut Explore or Maker and adhesive vinyl. To find these designs, go to the Images button and then to Image Sets. Search for Cutaway. I'm going to use an image off of the Sympathy Cutaway Card Elements image set. I'll select it and add to Canvas. So I'll put that off to the side for now. And to make my card base, I'll go to the Shapes button and insert a square. I'll make this an A2 size card. So I'm going to unlock the padlock and make it 8.5 inches wide and 5.5 inches tall. I'm going to make it green and then go back to the Shapes button and add my score line. I want to make it as the same height as my card. So 5.5, hold down the Shift key, select the score line and the card base and go to Align Center. Now it's perfectly centered and click Attach. Now go back to the Shapes button and insert another square. This will be the card front. So unlock the padlock and make it 4 by 5.25. And I'll make this purple or lavender. At this point you can insert a frame if desired. So go back to Images, browse all images, and I'm going to use the overlapped rectangle. And this is a drawn image, and so make sure you select the drawn image, not the cut image. And so this can be used for pens or foil or debossing. So I just need to size that to fit my card front, and I'll need to unlock the padlock on that one to make it fit. Now we can bring this image to the front. So the first thing that needs to happen here, we need to make it fit in on our card, and it does. I'll make it just a tad bit smaller. And so I'm going to select all that. Hold down the Shift key, select the overlapped rectangle and the card front, and go Align and Center. So now I'm going to select just the With Deepest Sympathy image and detach it. So now the next step is I want to attach all of these pen layers to the purple layer. So I'll hold down the Shift key, select this pen layer, this pen layer. I'll skip the sentiment layer and select the rectangle and select the card front, the square, and attach. So when I did that brought this sentiment to the back, and that's okay, and it'll still cut like it's supposed to, but just for my own benefit, I'm going to move it up to the top so I can see it. So now I can click Make It. And there will be 3 mats on the prepare screen. The first will be cut out of vinyl, or you could use HTV as well. This has the sentiment as well as the center of the flowers in it. And then the other 2 mats will be cut out of cardstock. The card base will ask for the scoring tool, or whether that's use the stylus. You can use the stylus or the scoring wheel. And then On the third layer, it will ask you for the pens. If I hit continue, it'll show you what to do. So I'll just pick cardstock for intricate cuts. So it'll tell you to load the black pen and the fine point blade, and then it will pause and ask you for the Adobe pen and then the dark green for the leaves. So the assembly is very easy. Just take a piece of transfer tape. I use either a piece I've used before or I've stuck onto my clothes to remove the excess stickiness. I like to kind of line up one of the lines with the grid lines on the transfer tape. Just burnish it with the scraper, where the vinyl is. You don't have to do it on the whole thing. And some of these letters may need a little bit of encouragement. So just place it on the card. Be careful to get the flower centers about where they're supposed to go. That's the only tricky bit here. And so then just rub down. Sometimes I just use my finger. You can use the scraper to get these letters to transfer. And then just pull straight back with the transfer tape. Usually it will do just fine. Then all that remains is to put this front on the card base. Now it's complete. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give me a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.